रफ़ा न्यूज़ 18 में आप सभी का इस्तकबाल है। प्रोफेशनल गल्फ टूर ऑफ इंडिया की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपको दिल की गहराइयों से मदऊ करते हैं। 22 सितंबर 2025 हैदराबाद गल्फ क्लब 7 टूम्स रोड गोलकुंडा हैदराबाद। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शिरकत करने वाले मोअज़्ज़िज़ीन श्री जयेश रंजन IAS स्पेशल चीफ सेक्रेटरी FAC यूथ एडवाइसमेंट BVK राजू सदर HGA मोहतरमा ऐश्वर्या मंडवा एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर NSL लुक्स मिस्टर विकास सिंह PGTI हिंदुस्तान पेशावर गल्फ अर्जुन प्रसाद चेक प्रोफेशनल गल्फ स्पीड डेंक बराह करम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद लंच के लिए हमारे साथ शामिल हों।
PGTI tournament here, and the experience has been very good. We made this trophy that time, especially for them. It was a designer made this trophy, and the platform what they're supporting has produced very good players like Gaganjit Bhullar, Anirban Lahiri. It is such a good platform that players from all accolades for the society. They get an opportunity to excel themselves, to play golf, and play international tournaments and make a career for themselves. I really appreciate what they're doing for the golfing fraternity and wish them all the best. And that's all. I thank you for partnering with us. That's a very good partnership what we are having with us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank PGTI for this opportunity. As a hotel, I think we are very glad to be partnering with PGTI for this tournament. Also recently, last week itself, I was in Bangalore. Marriott concluded their golf tournament where I think the idea was giving back to the society. Here, I think one thing which I would like to highlight that tournaments like this boost travel and tourism in the city, and I think we welcome them with open hands. We have a lot of people who will be coming and attending this event, which gives boost to the travel and tourism industry on a whole. And that's the reason I think we have been always partnering for all such events happening in the city. And we would like to thank Vikas once again for giving us this opportunity, and we are very glad to be one of the official sponsors here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. For me, this is my second time in Hyderabad, and I'm just so happy to be back because I think I can speak on behalf of a lot of players, or probably all the players. This is one of our favorite venue, one of my favorite events. We love Hyderabad. The golf course is great, as Arjun just mentioned. Despite the heavy rain, I just finished 9 holes, and it's really under great conditions still. And there is so much in Hyderabad what we can do as international players. We can enjoy great golf course inside the Golconda Fort. It's really beautiful, and we can go outside the city. Also, the food is great. We love it. Spicy, but it's all right. And so I'm just, as I said, happy to be back, and just grateful that we can all enjoy this magnificent golf course. And last but not least, I would like to thank to all the organizers, PGTI, for making this possible, and the sponsors, all the sponsors that come every year and create such a great tournament. So we're grateful for them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Stefan.
Hello. So, I mean, this golf course has been very close to me. I mean, I've pretty much been coming here since I was a junior. And yeah, firstly, so thanks a lot to Jaswinder Singh sir for having us over here. This golf course is playing really well, even though we got to know that there was rain all around, but still the course is really keeping up its ground, and it's going to be a fantastic day. Again, a big thanks to all the sponsors for making this event possible. I think it's a fantastic stage for all of us professionals to compete, and yeah, we're all looking forward to having all of you come for this event and support us and watch some good golf out there. So thank you.